is coming this direction.
Wow.
Hello.
Go that way. Go up.
So, yeah, don't land like right here on us. Okay. Can you imagine being that airplane right there? Going
Yeah,
through
helicopter,
that?
yeah.
Helicopter?
It's moving towards you guys.
It
Oh, yeah.
It definitely is. Wow. You can see its
It doesn't
reflection
look
off
like
of the
it's
water.
flying. It looks like it's going horizontal.
It does look like it's going horizontal. That's really interesting. Okay, so now you can see the tail of it. You see
Trace,
the-
I think your camera's off.
Oops,
There you go.
Sorry, I'm watching the rocket.
You're good.
Wow. That's amazing. I never in my life.
Yeah, we got to see a shuttle launch.
Oh, cool. Isn't that neat?
That's cool.
Wow. It's got a long tail on it.
It looks really cool right now. I
Yeah.
know I can't see it as good as you guys can, but it's
So now
See
the,
if you can find it again, Trace. I don't think you're on it.
I think I am. It's hard for me to tell. I think I am on it. Actually, it's losing its red, tail. So, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can still see it, but its tail is gone. Oh, there it goes. All done. The end.